this video, we will show you how to adjust letter spacing using numeric values. For any inserted lettering part, you may want to increase the spacing between the characters. Now you can easily do that using numeric values. Type a value and you can see the spacing change. Additionally, you can use the arrow keys on your keyboard or the wheel of your mouse to adjust letter spacing accordingly. Place the mouse cursor on top of the spacing field and use the up or down keys on your keyboard or the wheel of your mouse to adjust letter spacing accordingly. If you choose the spacing to make the best fit of your text into a specific area, you should always keep in mind that the size of each font is different. So whenever you choose a different font, you should probably update the letter spacing as well. In other words, while changing fonts, you may need to experiment with spacing to get the desired results. Spacing can be applied in practically any text placement.